Hey everybody, this is my review of the MD Sports air hockey table, 89 inches, that's at Costco right now. I purchased it on Black Friday, although the price is still the same at $299, which is a fantastic deal for an air hockey table this size. You might not get a concept of how big the scale is of this air hockey table. Most ones that I see at the store are only from here to here. A much smaller air hockey table for nearly the exact same price. So this is awesome. Now, to get this down in my basement, it took 3 of us. It is ridiculously heavy. The construction, the legs are metal that go up. There are fully wood strut pieces that go underneath the board, so that's not particle board, that's actually wood. There definitely is MDF particle board pieces like the side and the top itself, but the actual framing underneath is wood, which is why it's so heavy. I definitely recommend taking it out of the box and bringing the pieces down by themselves or to wherever you're assembling it. The top itself has a lot of grippy areas, but the box makes it kind of a little bit unwieldy when you're bringing it down. Took about half an hour, 40 minutes for me to assemble. Not too hard, though I would say when you are assembling this piece right here, the screws, which it's a little dark in here, I apologize. They're so high up here that you're hitting the lip of the air hockey table. So you're gonna need some sort of long extension piece for your drill to be able to put the screws in the proper locations up there. The side rails are kind of like a carbon fiber wrap, which feel pretty good. And it comes with 4 of these pucks. The pucks themselves look pretty good. You have to attach the felt bottom piece yourself. I think I might have offset one of these a little bit because you might notice there's some marks in the table. They come off when you use your finger and just kind of hit it, but I notice it's only on this side, not, well, there we go, both sides. So my kids heavy use. So the power button is on the side. Once you kick that on, the blower comes on. And this blower is very good. I have to say that we did a lot of testing with the blower and the leveling of the table just to make sure that it was perfect. The bottom feet screw, and so you can adjust the leveling of your table. What we did to make sure that our leveling was correct was we would place it right in and let it go, and if it would stay or just slightly drift, we're okay. If it had an angle, it would have been moving right off the bat. It comes with an electronic scoreboard. I was very perplexed in the beginning of how to work it. The instructions are horrible as far as the gameplay goes. What you do is you hold the power button for 3 seconds until the lights come on. Then you're going to go over and select the time, 3 minutes or 5 minutes, and then hit the start button one more time. The side that has the power button is the red team, I believe. Let's just check it out. Yep, blue side got a score right there. It'll represent on both sides of the table. Kind of has like a neat little chant, and the lights will go while you're playing. Overall, I would say it's not the greatest table in the world, but for the price, I'd give it a 9 out of 10. Simply because of the size and the construction, the strength of the blower, and you know, it's attractive too, which is nice in a game room. Definitely think this was a great buy. My kids love it, and for the price for this size of the table, you would have been spending easily $1,000 bucks. So $299 is an awesome price.